Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three compounds are given: P, Q and R. P is nitrophenol, Q is phenol, C is methylphenol. Here you have to arrange the compounds based on its acidity. Here you should know the fact that phenol is the weak acid. It can donate H plus and form phenoxide ion. The phenoxide ion here is important because the stability of phenoxide ion decides everything. More stable the phenoxide ion, easy donation of H plus. Here three different functional groups are there. One is NO2, another is hydrogen, another is CH3. Hydrogen is ineffective, so only NO2 and methyl. Everybody knows NO2 is the electron withdrawing group. It stabilizes the anion by decreasing charges. It's more acidic. On the contrary, if you look at CH3, which is electron donating group, it will destabilize the anion. It is a less acidic compound. So electron withdrawing group stabilizes the anion. So the order will be PQR. The concept you have to learn here is electron withdrawing group stabilizes the anion. Electron donating group destabilizes the anion. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.